Good morning, dear student. Today we shall read lesson 2, The Greedy Fat Old Man. Let us start. Students, do you know the meaning of the greedy fat old man? Do you know the meaning of greedy? Greedy means who always wants to eat more and more, wanting more food. This is a story. This is a story about a greedy old man. Just look at the picture. Who are there in the picture? Who are there in the picture? In the picture, there is an old man and there is a thin boy. What are they doing? They are talking to each other. It is an interesting story and it is based on an fantasy. Means it is based on fantasy. Fantasy means कल्पना यह एक काल्पनिक गल्प अटे. It is based on fantasy. Then let us read the story. Let's read the story. Once there lived a greedy fat old man. Once there lived a greedy fat old man. What was the man like? He was fat and greedy. One day he got up at 6 a.m. One day he got up at 6 a.m. Got up is the past tense of get up. Uthila. When did he get up? He got up at 6 a.m. He took tea at 7 a.m. When did he take his tea? When did he take his tea? At 7 a.m. At 7 a.m. he took his tea. He took his breakfast at 8:30 a.m. When did he take his breakfast? He took breakfast at 8:30 a.m. At 8:30 a.m. Do you know how much he took? Do you know how much he took? In his breakfast, he took 2 mugs of tea. In his breakfast, he took 2 mugs of tea, 2 liters of milk, then he took 3 tins of biscuit. He took 2 mugs of tea, 2 liters of milk, 2 liters of milk, then he took 3 tins of biscuit and 5 big pieces of cakes. 5 big pieces of cakes. After breakfast, he looked really very fat. After breakfast, he looked really very fat. How did he look? How did he look like? He looked very fat. He looked very fat. Then, after his breakfast, then he went out for a walk. Do you know walking? He went out for a walk. He walked, walked, and walked till he met a thin boy. He went out for a walk. He walked, walked, and walked till he met a thin boy. Whom did he meet? He met a thin boy on his way. On his way. He had a long conversation with the boy. He had a long conversation with the boy. Do you know the meaning of conversation? Conversation means the talk. Conversation means the talk, kothabarta. Let us read their conversation. They had a conversation. It was long. The conversation between the boy and the greedy fat old man. Let us read their conversation. Old man. At first the boy, old man, have you brushed your teeth? The old man asked, have you brushed your teeth? Boy, no, I haven't. No, I haven't. Then, old man, have you enough tea and milk to drink? That means, do you have enough milk and tea to drink? Boy, no, I haven't. I don't have. Old man, do you have enough biscuits to eat? Do you have enough biscuit to eat? Boy, no, I don't have. Boy said, no, I don't have. Then, old man, do you have enough cake to eat? Do you have enough cake to eat? Boy, the boy said, no, I don't have. No, I don't have. When the old man had just finished his question, when the old man had just finished his question, the boy asked him. The boy asked him a question. The boy asked him a question. Boy asked, old man, what makes you so fat? The boy asked, old man, what makes you so fat? The old man said, I have taken 2 mugs of tea. I have taken 2 mugs of tea, 2 liters of milk, 2 liters of milk. I have also 2 liters of milk. I also took 3 tins of biscuits, 3 tins of biscuits and 5 kilograms of cakes. I also took 3 tins of biscuit and 5 kilograms of cakes and if I can catch you, and if I can catch you, I'll eat you up. If I can catch you, I'll eat you up. Then the old man caught the thin little boy. Then the old man caught the thin little boy and ate him up. What did the old man do? What did the old man do? The greedy fat old man ate up the boy.